Gravity Forms and Contact Form 7 are both popular WordPress plugins for creating and managing contact forms on your website. They serve similar purposes but have some differences that can make one a better choice over the other depending on your specific needs. Here's a comparison.
Ease of use. Gravity Forms. Gravity Forms is known for its user-friendly interface and intuitive form builder. You can create complex forms with ease using a drag-and-drop interface. Contact Form 7. Contact Form 7, while functional, is often considered less user-friendly and requires manual editing of form code to make advanced customizations. Form building features. Gravity Forms. Gravity Forms offers a wide range of advanced features, including multi-page forms, conditional logic, file uploads, and integration with third-party services. It also has a rich library of add-ons for extending functionality. Contact Form 7. Contact Form 7 is more basic in terms of features, but it does offer a variety of form fields, spam protection, and the ability to customize the form's HTML and CSS. Pricing. Gravity Forms. Gravity Forms is a premium plugin with a cost associated with it. The pricing depends on the type of license and features you need. Contact Form 7. Contact Form 7 is open source and free to use. However, you may need to invest in other add-ons or extensions for additional features, which could incur costs.